Okay, here we have our periodic table. We're going to be discussing the characteristics and distinguishing a metal or nonmetal based on the melting point on the periodic table of the elements. Here we have, on the left-hand side, elements that have relatively high melting points. You know, magnesium was 650, barium was 727. If we go across and we look over here, we have iodine with 113, or xenon with negative 111. Or even go higher with oxygen, just negative 218. We can see that there is a distinct difference from the left-hand side to the right-hand side of our periodic table. That right there gives us a distinct point here in the middle of a diagonal line that shows metals on the left-hand side with large melting points and nonmetals on the right-hand side with relatively low melting points. This is a very easy way for us to distinguish metal versus nonmetals. For example, if you look at calcium, 842 degrees Celsius melting point, I would consider that to be a high melting point. And if we look at sulfur with 115, that would be a lower melting point. Even lower would be oxygen at negative 218. That would be nonmetals.